Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make a folder on Inventor. You're going to be making the LEGOman. So we're going to make a LEGOman folder. If you've opened up Inventor, it should look a little bit like this. It should say nothing here and it should say default. Potentially you've made a folder before for Lego bricks in first year, so it might say Lego bricks and you might have your Lego bricks here, but more often than not it opens with default. And yeah, so we're going to make the folder by going over to where it says default on the left hand side. And we're going to click the three dots next to there to get settings and open your settings. If you get any messages, just okay them and you should get your projects box up here. Now I've got quite a lot going on up here because I've made a lot of things in the past. You won't have very much because you've not made so many. Down the bottom, there is the new button. Select that. And then click next. And here we're going to give it a project name. So I'm just going to delete that and call it LEGOman. And then I'm going to click finish. Do I want it to be created? Yes, please. Okay. And then I can select done. I will still have nothing here because there's nothing in the folder yet, but on the left-hand side, it should say LEGOman. At this point, I'm going to start my LEGOman project. I'm going to start my first drawing. So I go to the new bit, but I'm going to click this little drop down menu here. And I'm going to go down to the bottom where it says browse templates. In here, we've got options. You might not see all this. You might see something that looks more like that. So you'll have only two options here. If you've only got two options here, you're going over to the left-hand side where it says ENUS. Click the little arrow and you'll get lots of different options. You're looking for the metric folder and that gives you 4 options in this top part. And you're looking for the one that says standard millimeters. So it's the top right-hand side, blue cube, standard, brackets, millimeters. Click that and create. And that's you opening a new drawing to start making whatever it is you're making, in this case, the LEGOman. And my Inventor's not responding, but that's how you open a drawing.